a local in Nebraska, has filmed this amazing footage of what some claim to be a top-secret jet hovering over a main direct road. The footage was filmed by Andrew, from Omaha, Nebraska, as he drove down a busy highway in broad daylight. The video clip appears to show a strange craft moving across the sky. Zooming in, it becomes clear that the giant object could not be a plane, or a blimp, due to its unconventional shape. A light at the tip of the object flashes, as it zooms over the busy highway. It doesn't look like a typical helicopter, it could be a really large drone of some sort. Viewers of the video claim the mysterious craft is more likely to be a B-2 stealth bomber. The stealth bomber is an American heavy strategic bomber, featuring low observable stealth technology designed for penetrating dense anti-aircraft defenses. The aircraft has a flying wing design, with a crew of 2. The bomber can deploy both conventional and thermonuclear weapons. These stealth crafts have supposedly been spotted over the skies of Omaha in the past, with locals capturing amazing shots of stealth bombers going over treetops,